Hello everyone, welcome to Diva Classes. This is Divya Vadvani and today we'll be solving MCQs part 2 for ISC Commerce for their 2026 examinations. जिसमें I have also added a little more. I told you na that we'll be adding up the level of difficulty. So last part we did simple parts of MCQs. Now we'll shift towards a little bigger, that is the part of case studies also that are inclusive into it. Sari ki sari I have not included, but yes, few MCQs and few case based MCQs will be there. ठीक है, तो the first question says that making assumptions about the future is called. Now making assumptions जिसको हम बोलते हैं यहाँ पर the steps of planning. ठीक, तो उसी में the question is asked कि what is the making assumptions about the future? Policy formulation, setting planning premises, derivative planning or goal setting. So it is known as setting planning premises. Then next is which of the following is a feature of planning? Provides direction, yes. Reduces the risk of uncertainty, yes. Focuses on achieving objectives, yes. Hence it will be all of the above. Then which of the following statements is not true with reference to planning? Means something that is incorrect. It is a prerequisite of controlling. बिल्कुल सही बात है, because for controlling कि आपके जो plans है वो deviate कैसे हो रहे हैं, पहले आपको plan बनाने पड़ेंगे. तो yes, it is a prerequisite for controlling. Does not lead to rigidity. No, it leads to rigidity. आप उससे जल्दी shift नहीं हो सकते हो. Hence it is the correct answer will be this. Otherwise planning enables a manager to look ahead, yes, and planning facilitates coordination also. ठीक, तो the correct answer it does not lead to rigidity. Actually it leads to rigidity. You cannot shift so quickly from your plan. Which type of a plan is a chronological sequence of steps to be taken in a predetermined order? That is procedure. Then office phone should not be used for personal calls. It is as simple as statement given. So it is a rule. It is not a policy, procedure or objective. Then which of the following step is a process of planning that states that the manager is required to make certain assumptions about the future? The same question, kind of question, that developing premises means to develop a few assumptions, the basis of which the plan will be working, the conditions on which the plan will work. Okay, then the following is not a type of plan. So policy is there, procedure is there, budget is there, values of an organization is not there. Then next is which of the following type of plan reflects managerial decisions that a certain action must be taken or must not be taken. तो जिसको हम बोलते हैं do's or don'ts. Okay, so it is a rule. Then a dash is a statement of expected results expressed in numerical terms. It is a budget. Okay. Then which of the following plan provides the broad contours of a organization's business? Contours मतलब कि एक broad line बना दी जाती है, एक set of plans बता दिया जाता है जो आपको follow करना होता है. तो इट इज़ नॉट ऑब्जेक्टिव. ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या होते हैं? वो आपके एंड रिजल्ट्स होते हैं. इन एंड रिजल्ट्स को अटेन करने के लिए वट एवर लाइन्स स्टेटमेंट्स यू गिव, दैट इज नोन एज स्ट्रैटेजी. तो द टर्म दैट बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स द ब्रॉड कॉन्टोर्स इज एन स्ट्रैटेजी. इट सेट्स द फंडामेंटल पाथ, the choices, the approaches that define the overall shape, direction of the business. Imagine कंपनी दैट इज मेकिंग शूज़. ठीक, तो स्ट्रैटेजी क्या होती है? डिसाइड टू फोकस ऑन हाई एंड एथलेटिक शूज़ फॉर प्रोफेशनल एथलेटिक्स. तो दैट आर सोल्ड प्राइमरली ऑनलाइन. ये एक ब्रॉड स्टेटमेंट दिया है. फिर द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑन इट कि दिस विल बी अटेन्ड वाया सेल्स इन दिस मच ईयर. देन व्हाट इज़ द पॉलिसी ऑन रिटर्न्स स्टेटिंग कस्टमर कैन रिटर्न अनवॉन्ट शूज़ विद इन 30 days. तो ये एक पॉलिसी है. उसी के अंडर एक प्रोसीजर, मतलब उसी के लिए कुछ स्टेप्स विल बी फॉलोड एंड हेंस अ स्ट्रैटेजी प्रोवाइड्स अ फंडामेंटल ब्लूप्रिंट, द ब्रॉड कॉन्टोर्स. ठीक है, ज्योग्राफी स्टूडेंट्स वुड बी वेल अवेयर ऑफ दोज कॉन्टोर लाइन्स. तो ये वही स्टेटमेंट बोली गई है. Then dash represent the end point of planning, so that is objective. A company decides to accept only online payments. कंपनी आपसे ये कह रही है कि हम सिर्फ ऑनलाइन पेमेंट करेंगे, ये कंपनी का रूल नहीं है, ये कंपनी कोई मेथड नहीं बता रही है आपको कि आप इस मोड ऑफ पेमेंट कर सकते हो. कंपनी आपसे कह रही है कि ये हमारे कंपनी की पॉलिसी है. ठीक, दैट डिसाइड्स टू एक्सेप्ट ओनली, नहीं वेट, ये कंपनी का रूल है. वाई, रीज़न बिहाइंड इज कि कंपनी की एक रिटर्न पॉलिसी होती है, उसी रिटर्न पॉलिसी के अंडर ये चीज़ आएगी. 30 डेज रिटर्न पॉलिसी है, एंड देन उसके अंदर एक और चीज़ आएगी, दैट इज़ रूल. ठीक, तो दैट कंपनी डिसाइड्स टू एक्सेप्ट ओनली ऑनलाइन पेमेंट, जिसके लिए कोई भी डिस्क्रिशन नहीं दिया गया है. ओके, तो दिस विल बी रूल. Then which of the following is a primary function of management? Hence planning is a primary function of management. फिर which of the following is not a limitation of planning? Not a limitation, time consuming होता है, rigid होता है, costly होता है. Basis of control is not a limitation of planning. Which step in the process of planning? The first step in the process of planning is development of premises, setting objectives, implementation of plans. Okay, so it is setting of objectives. Then which of the following is the last step of planning? तो it will be follow up action. आपको ये भी चेक करना है कि whether your plans are working according to what you people have decided. Then another case based question that says that Nisha bought a vacuum cleaner from an authorized dealer. While using it, she identified a defect. She went to return it next morning at the shop, but it was written that no products will be returned before 2 p.m. So it is, what type of plan is it that is highlighted here? Hence again it will be considered as a rule. पॉलिसी क्यों नहीं कंसिडर किया जाएगा? बिकॉज पॉलिसीज़ के आपसे अगेन वो एक रिटर्न पॉलिसी बना देते. उस रिटर्न पॉलिसी में थोड़ी बहुत फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी होती है, इट वुड बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ पॉलिसी. हियर इट विल बी कंसिडर्ड एज अ रूल, जहाँ पर उन्होंने एक शार्प टाइम लिमिट दे दी है कि उससे पहले ये चीज़ नहीं होगी. ओके, देन Suhasini, a home science graduate from a reputed college, has recently done a cookery course. She wished to start her own venture with a goal to provide healthy food at reasonable price. She discussed her idea with the teacher. उसने मतलब उसके दिमाग में एक आइडिया आया, उसके बेसिस पर शी डिसाइडेड दैट मेंटोर, हर टीचर एनकरेज्ड हर. फिर है आफ्टर एनालाइजिंग वेरियस ऑप्शंस फॉर स्टार्टिंग हर बिजनेस वेंचर, दे शॉर्ट लिस्टेड द ऑप्शन टू सेल द रेडीमेड and ready to make vegetable shakes, sattu milk shakes, and they both weighed the pros and cons of both the options. So you have to name the function that is being discussed here. Just because कि वो एक idea को plan कर रही है, it will be considered as planning, जिसके वो alternative options भी देख रही है. Okay, next is which of the following is not a characteristic of planning? तो focus, not a characteristic, it focuses on objectives, it is a mental exercise, it is primary function of management, it is time consuming. So the correct answer is time consuming. Raman was working in a mobile company which had an assembly unit in Noida. In this unit, standard output for producing 12 units per day per worker had been set. While assembling mobile phones, Raman realized that by simply reorganizing the sequence of tasks, more units can be assembled at a lower cost. He went to the supervisor, informed him about his discovery. The supervisor, on the contrary, instructed him to carry out the work as per the method and technique decided earlier. तो व्हाट इज़ द लिमिटेशन, मतलब उसने एक इनिशिएटिव लिया बट उसको लेने नहीं दिया गया. उसने बोला, जो सुपरवाइज़र, उसने बोला कि जैसे चल रहा है तुम वैसे ही करो. तो इट लीड्स टू अनसर्टेनिटी, मे नॉट वर्क इन डायनामिक एनवायरनमेंट, इट रिड्यूसेस क्रिएटिविटी और इनिशिएटिव, एंड इट प्रोवाइड्स अ सेंस ऑफ डायरेक्शन. तो इट रिड्यूसेस क्रिएटिविटी एंड इनिशिएटिव, मतलब उसका जो क्रिएटिविटी का जो एक ऑप्शन था वो उसको मना कर दिया गया था. Then next statement says that Superfine Rice Limited has the largest share, that is 55% in the market. The company's policy is to sell only for cash. In 2015, for the first time, company's number one position in the industry was threatened because of other companies starting selling rice on credit. But the managers of Superfine Rice Limited continued to rely on its previously tried and tested successful plans, which didn't work because of the environment is not static. ठीक, तो this led to the decline of the Superfine Rice Limited. So what is the limitation that is being used here? Costly, time consuming, creates initiative, it leads to rigidity. Because जब आपने एक प्लान बनाया तो आप just because कि the environment is dynamic, आप उससे shift नहीं होना चाहते हो. You are choosing the same plan for the different types of you can say the different types of environment. ठीक, organizing does not include what will be done by whom, how and where. So these things are included, this is not included. Then which of the following is not a part of organizing process? Division of work, assigning of responsibilities, motivation, or establishing reporting relationship. When you talk about process, motivation is not required. Then grouping of activities in accordance to the nature is known as a division of work. Departmentalization, it is known as departmentalization. जब आप एक्टिविटीज़ को ग्रुप करते हो उनके नेचर के बेसिस पे, जितनी भी फंक्शनल एक्टिविटीज़ हैं, जितनी भी मार्केटिंग रिलेटेड हैं, प्रोडक्शन रिलेटेड हैं, उन सबको एक साथ एक डिपार्टमेंट में डाल देते हो, दैट इज़ नोन एज डिपार्टमेंटलाइजेशन. Division of work into smaller and manageable tasks is a part of departmentalization. Assigning duties, it is a part of identification and division of work. Okay, that is a step in organizing. Then which of the following is not a result of division of work into smaller tasks? तो ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेज वर्क है, प्रोडक्ट स्पेशलाइजेशन है, क्लैरिटी इन वर्किंग रिलेशनशिप्स है, अडेप्टिंग टू चेंज इज नॉट अ रिजल्ट ऑफ डिविजन ऑफ वर्क. देन 27 span of management or span of control you should say. So what does it defines or tells you? That level of management in a department, in a division, in an organization structure. क्योंकि आप यहाँ पर organizational structure बनाते हो, उसमें you decide कि span of management या span of control कितना होना चाहिए. A network of social relationships that arises spontaneously due to interaction is known as informal. Okay, which of the following does not follow a scalar chain? It will be, which of the following does not follow a scalar chain? It is informal, because the scalar chain is a authority hierarchy which is not followed in informal. And then for delegation to be effective, it is essential that responsibility should always be accompanied with authority. Then Ram owns a small scale factory producing furniture. He makes all decisions, tells factory supervisor what to produce, and workers directly report to the supervisor. The structure ensures quick decision making and clear accountability. ठीक, तो इसमें मतलब कोई स्पेसिफिक वो नहीं दिया है कि हिंट नहीं दी है कि फंक्शनल है, डिविजनल है या क्या है. तो इसीलिए वी विल बी कंसिडरिंग कि व्हाट टाइप ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन स्ट्रक्चर इज दिस. तो हेंस इट विल बी लाइन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, जो सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म ऑफ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होती है. देन करण स्टार्टेड अ ट्रैवल एजेंसी क्रिएटिंग डिपार्टमेंट्स फॉर फ्रंट ऑफिस, रिजर्वेशंस, बुकिंग, पेमेंट्स टू इंश्योर स्मूथ स्पेशलाइज्ड ऑपरेशन, जिसको हम बोलते हैं कि डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ फंक्शंस के बेसिस पर उसने डिवीजन किया है. तो इट विल बी व्हाट स्ट्रक्चर इज इट? तो इट इज़ फंक्शनल स्ट्रक्चर. Okay, it will be considered as functional structure. Then Suman works in a large firm as a marketing executive. Although the company rules state that the reports must go through the branch manager, that is a formal channel, Suman often chats with the HR manager over lunch to get the early updates on the policy changes. These conversations help her adjust her plans faster than the colleagues who rely on formal emails. So, which concept is being highlighted in the above case? It is informal organization. Next is, which of the following does not follow the scalar chain or a official channel of communication? Does not follow is informal. ठीक, we'll be doing picture based questions also, तो उससे ये चीज़ आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आ जाएगी. That one shot of picture based questions will be very important. फिर है tall structure has a मतलब which span of management or span of control, तो it will have a narrow span of control. स्ट्रक्चर, टॉल स्ट्रक्चर क्या होता है कि सपोज ये एक हेड है, ठीक, उसके नीचे दो हेड आए, तो एक और आया, एक और आया, तो दिस इज नोन एज वाइड. जो क्या है, जिसमें वाइड है मतलब कि ये टॉल नहीं है, लंबा नहीं है बहुत ज़्यादा, दिस इज नॉर्मल. ठीक, व्हाट इज अ टॉल स्ट्रक्चर? जिसमें दो स्पैन आए, दो मतलब अंडर उसके आए, फिर उसके अंदर हमने और तीन बना दिए. ओके, तो दिस विल बी नोन एज नैरो, वाइड नहीं. और इसी को हम बोलेंगे टॉल ऑल्सो. अ टॉल स्ट्रक्चर, क्योंकि लंबाई उसकी ज़्यादा है, विल हैव अ नैरो स्पैन ऑफ मैनेजमेंट. उसके अंडर बहुत पीपल विल नॉट कम, इसके अंडर और लोग आ सकते हैं. ओके, देन नेक्स्ट इज to increase market share, the firm launched a comprehensive initiative including the product launch, advertisement campaign and hiring campaign. तो इनिशिएटिव जहाँ पर आ रहा है, योजना वर्ड यूज़ किया जा रहा है, तो इट इज़ अ प्रोग्राम जिसके अंदर सारी चीज़ें आ जाएंगी. Span of management refers to the number of managers, the length of the term. No, it is the number of subordinates under a superior. Okay, then the form of organization for giving rise to rumors is known as informal organization. XYZ Corporation produces a wide range of products, that is cosmetics, beverages, textiles. As the company expanded, they decided to create separate business units for each product. ठीक, product line, each unit has its own dedicated production फाइनेंस मैनेज्ड बाय डिविजनल मैनेजर अकाउंटेबल टू द यूनिट्स प्रॉफिट्स. तो ये फंक्शनल है कि ये डिविजनल है, जस्ट बिकॉज की कंपनी जो है वो ईच प्रोडक्ट के अंडर फंक्शंस लेकर आ रही है, इट विल बी डिविजनल. जब सिर्फ फंक्शंस की बात होती देन इट वुड बी फंक्शनल. Then, which process aims at attracting a large number of candidates to apply for a job? It is known as recruitment. Okay, then which of the following is an internal source of recruitment? Campus placements, promotion, direct recruitment or placement agencies? It is promotion. Dash organization structure is the most suitable when the size of the company is large and producing one product line. जब एक ही product line है, मतलब different products में it is not dealing with, तो कौन सा organization structure should be taken? It is functional. Okay, then dash organization structure is the most suitable for enterprises where a large variety of products is produced, so it will be divisional. Then next is in organization dash organization, it is easier to fix responsibility since mutual relationships are clearly defined, it will be formal. Then which of the following is not a step in the process of organizing? Identification and division of work is there, departmentalization is there, establishing reporting relationships is there, setting performance standards is not there, it is in not in planning, it is in controlling. कंट्रोलिंग का स्टेप है ये, तो इट विल बी द करेक्ट आंसर. What is the correct sequence of organizing process? Now this answer you are going to tell. This I am skipping 46 वाला answer. I'll be asking from you all. ठीक, यू कैन ऑल्सो टेल कि आप जब ये क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व कर रहे हो तो हाउ मेनी आंसर्स ऑफ योर्स आर करेक्ट. देन which of the following is not a feature of informal organization? It originates from within the formal. Yes. It involves its own standards. Yes. It is deliberately created by management. It does not follow the chain of command. ठीक है, तो the correct answer is not a feature. It is deliberately created by management. No, it is not created by the management. It is the people inside the management who create it not intentionally, because of the social interactions. Which of the following step in the process of staffing involves the process of searching the prospective employees and stimulating them to apply for the jobs in an organization? It is recruitment. Okay. Which aspect of staffing is concerned with upgradation of knowledge and skills of the employees? So it will be training. Then the last question, which of the following statements is true in respect to internal sources of recruitment? It simplifies the process of selection and placement. Yes. Then employees are motivated to improve their performance. Yes. It is more reliable way. Yes. So it will be all of the above. Okay. I hope this much is clear to you all. Keep preparing. We'll be bringing more such questions. Till then, best wishes. Thank you.